Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is 8th schedule of constitution. Recently this topic is in news. Our constitution consists of 12 schedules, 25 parts and 400 plus articles. In this 12th schedule, today we will discuss about the 8th schedule of the constitution. This schedule deals with official languages of India. In our country, people talk thousands of languages, but under this schedule, constitution listed only particular languages. And in this 25 parts, 17th part of the constitution also deals with official languages. And from the article 343 to article 351 deals with these official languages, and these articles comes under the 17th part of the constitution. Constitutional provisions related to the 8th schedule are Article 344 and Article 351. This Article 344 deals with the constitution of the Commission for the official languages by the President, and this commission will give recommendations to the President for the development of official languages. And Article 351 deals with directives to development of the Hindi language. That is, it will give directions which are required for the development of the Hindi languages. And there is no criteria fixed in the constitution. And there is no criteria mentioned in the constitution to list a particular language under this 8th schedule. Government listed 22 languages under 8th schedule. Those are Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Marathi, Konkani, Gujarati, Punjabi, Bengali, Oriya, Assami, Kashmiri, Manipuri, Nepal, Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu, Dongri, Bodo, Santhali, Maithili. These are tribal languages, and Sindhi. We can remember like this, guys. State-wise languages are Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Marathi, Konkani in Maharashtra, Gujarati, Punjabi, Bengali, Oriya, Assamese, Kashmiri, Manipuri, Bengali, Nepali. And these three are main languages like Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu. Dongri, Bodo, Santhali, Maithili are tribal languages, and one more is Sindhi. Originally, only 14 languages were listed under this 8th schedule, but by 21st Constitutional Amendment Act 1967, this one language, that is Sindhi language, was added in the constitution, that 8th schedule. And by 71st Constitutional Amendment Act, remember like this, 21st, 71st, and here it is 92 and 96. By 71st Constitutional Amendment Act 1992, 3 languages were added, that is, those are Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali. Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali. And by 92nd Constitutional Amendment Act 2003, 4 languages were added. Those are these tribal languages: Dongri, Bodo, Santhali, Maithili and Sindhi. Maithili. These Dongri, Bodo, Santhali and Maithili. Sindhi added in 21st Constitutional Amendment Act. And 96th Constitutional Amendment Act, the spelling of Oriya changed to Odia. Oriya spelling changed to Odia. This is all about official languages, guys. However, we are seeing about official languages. We will see some points about classical languages also. So, government recognized 6 languages under classical languages. Those are Tamil, which was recognized in 2004, Sanskrit in 2005, Kannada in 2008, Telugu in 2008, Malayalam in 2013, Odia in 2014. And Ministry of Culture give guidelines to recognize a particular language as a classical language. Some of guidelines are: whatever text and literature related to the particular language has to have the 1500 to 2000 years of history, and whatever literature related to that language has to be a original. Translated language cannot be considered for the recognition of the classical language. Recently what happened, Odisha cabinet recommended that this KU language has to be considered in the 18th schedule. They proposed that KU language has to be listed under the 8th schedule of the constitution. Because of that, this 8th schedule came in news, guys. I have done a short video about this KU language. You can refer to that video. I will give link in the description box. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.